Hello, I'm Ray from Miro AI Studio. Map complex processes and show who does what at every step with Swimlane diagrams in Miro. Click Templates in the left toolbar and search for Swimlane diagram. Add it to your board. The template gives you a ready-made structure with lanes you can customize instantly. You can also create Swimlane diagrams manually using diagramming shapes, if you prefer to build from scratch. Double-click each lane to customize it. Add the name of each team, function, or stakeholder involved in your process. Include development, marketing, sales, customer support, or even external parties like customers or vendors. Each lane shows who owns what part of the process. Add shapes to represent tasks and activities within each lane. Use rectangles for process steps, diamonds for decision points, and circles for start and end points. Place each task in the lane of the team responsible for it. This visual clarity instantly shows who does what and when handoffs happen. Connect tasks with arrows to show how work moves through the process. Arrows can stay within lanes or cross boundaries when one team hands off to another. These connections reveal bottlenecks, dependencies, and opportunities to streamline workflows. Invite your team to review the diagram together. Use comments to discuss bottlenecks, voting to prioritize improvements, and sticky notes to capture ideas for optimization. Identify redundant steps, clarify handoffs, and ensure every team knows their role. Use the Swimlane diagram template in Miro to map workflows and optimize how your teams work together. Subscribe for more tutorials on diagramming, process mapping, and visual collaboration. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.